Pi is no longer just a number sitting in your wallet, it's being spent right now, in real time. Real products, real merchants, real people trading value with Pi. While you're watching this, transactions are happening across the world. I recently bought a few digital items myself for just about 0.01159 Pi, roughly $5 worth, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same thing today. Most people who hold Pi have no idea this is even possible, but by the time you finish this video, you'll understand where to spend it, how the value works, and the one essential tool that unlocks your ability to make real purchases. Before we start, make sure to follow my Telegram and Facebook pages, the links are in the description. That's where I share verified merchants, screenshots from real transactions, and updates that don't make it onto YouTube. Those channels are gold if you're serious about using Pi. Now, let's talk about what's really happening here. You've probably heard the term GCV, which stands for Global Consensus Value. It's the value the Pi community has agreed upon, currently around $314,159 per Pi. That number might sound oddly specific, and it is. It comes directly from the mathematical constant, 3.14159. It's not an official exchange rate or something set by the Pi core team. It's a community-driven value agreed upon by thousands of pioneers around the world who are actually transacting with it. And that's what makes it powerful. It represents people agreeing on a consistent value for their digital currency. Here's why that matters. When merchants, buyers, and developers all agree to use the same pricing model, it creates predictability. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can rise or fall dramatically within a single hour, GCV gives the Pi ecosystem stability. Imagine hiring a designer and the payment value crashes before the project is even done. That's the kind of volatility GCV aims to prevent. So, when you see something like a $5 product priced at around 0.00159 Pi, that's GCV at work, ensuring that your Pi has a steady, predictable buying power inside the ecosystem. That stability is what makes Pi usable for real-world transactions. Instead of being just a speculative coin that people hold and hope will moon, Pi becomes a functioning currency you can actually spend. And the way to spend it is through dApps, decentralized applications designed for the Pi network. These aren't just theoretical apps, they're live right now. You can find marketplaces, freelance platforms, service hubs, games, and social tools all running directly on the Pi blockchain. To access them, you'll need the Pi browser. You can't use Chrome or Safari. The Pi browser is specifically built to connect with your Pi wallet and the blockchain ecosystem. You can download it through your App Store or through the main Pi app. Once installed, it links directly with your wallet, allowing you to spend your Pi securely once your KYC and Mainnet migration are complete. The best part? The browser handles all the technical stuff behind the scenes. You don't need to copy wallet addresses or worry about which network you're on. Everything is integrated for a smooth, safe experience. When you open the Pi browser, you'll find the dApp directory. Think of it as an app store just for Pi. Sites ending in .pi are genuine Pi applications. From there, you can explore stores and platforms that accept Pi for payment. Let's walk through a simple example. Open the marketplace dApp called PiBox. It's like an Amazon-style platform where you can browse all kinds of digital goods. Let's say you find a set of wallpapers priced at $5, or about 0.00159 Pi. You add it to your cart, hit checkout, and choose Pay with Pi. Your wallet will pop up automatically, showing the exact amount and the merchant's address. Double-check those details. Remember, blockchain transactions can't be reversed. Then authorize the payment with your passphrase or fingerprint, and within seconds, it's done. You'll get your download link instantly. Congratulations, that's your first real Pi purchase. The same process works across all types of dApps. Whether it's buying digital assets, hiring freelancers, or purchasing physical items from verified merchants, the system works seamlessly. Once you've done it once, it feels completely natural, like any other online payment. You'll quickly see that the Pi ecosystem is far more active and advanced than many people think. Beyond the official dApps, there's a growing network of real-world businesses that accept Pi directly. Restaurants, salons, local shops, even service providers, you can find them through Pi community groups on Telegram, Facebook, and other social media. People share photos of their purchases, meals paid with Pi, local produce, repair services, and so much more. This isn't a future dream, it's already happening across the world right now. Now, let's talk about staying safe. Your wallet passphrase is the single most important thing you own in this system. Never share it, not with anyone, not even someone claiming to be part of the PyCore team. No official representative will ever ask for it. Keep it written down on paper, stored safely offline, and never save it digitally. When you're using dApps, always confirm transactions manually and make sure you're only accessing apps through the official Pi browser. Be careful with links people send you on social media. Scams exist in every blockchain ecosystem, and Pi is no exception, so stay cautious and verify everything before you hit confirm. Here's a great example of Pi in real action. Imagine you're a freelance designer. A client from another country finds you in a Pi community group. They need a logo that normally costs $150, which is roughly 0.477 Pi at GCV. You do the work, they send the payment instantly, no waiting for PayPal, no ridiculous international fees. The transaction is confirmed in seconds. That's the power of decentralized payments. Or think of walking into a cafe that accepts Pi. You order a $4 latte, scan their QR code, approve the transaction, and it's done before your drink is ready. The shopkeeper saves on card fees, and you pay instantly, no middleman, no delays. It goes even further. Artisans selling handmade goods, online creators receiving micropayments for their work, small businesses transacting directly with global customers, all of this becomes possible within the Pi ecosystem. Payments that would once take days or even weeks can now happen in moments. This is how a real, people-powered economy starts to grow. Now, I know what you might be thinking, the wait has been long, and the skepticism is real. Many people have lost patience or called the project a scam. But here's the truth, real developers are building, real merchants are selling, and real people are buying right now. That's what matters. It's not about promises or hype, it's about real-world use cases slowly taking shape. Will Pi make you a millionaire overnight? No. And if anyone tells you otherwise, they're lying. But is Pi creating a fairer, more accessible way to exchange value? Absolutely. I've spoken to merchants tired of losing a percentage of every sale to credit card companies. I've seen freelancers thrilled to receive payments instantly without banks taking a cut. Communities are forming microeconomies powered entirely by Pi, and that's where the real magic is happening. The biggest danger isn't critics, it's giving up before the system fully matures. Every technology starts rough, the internet did, too. What matters is that people keep building, keep testing, and keep believing. So, if you've watched this far, you probably see the potential like I do. Tap the like button, share your first Pi purchase in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I post new updates and real-world Pi guides every week. And seriously, follow my Telegram and Facebook pages using the links below. That's where you'll get the verified merchant lists, transaction examples, and breaking Pi news before anyone else. Don't just hold your Pi. Use it. Spend it. Be part of the economy that's already taking shape. The future of money is becoming decentralized, and you're already ahead of the curve. See you in the next one.